1 day in total, and then the day after that we're leaving. So yeah, we're headed to the beach because, you know, it's what you do here in Hawaii. It's my sister trying to get some water.
You know what? She doesn't want to help out.
We just parked and we just got here and now we're walking to Helena's Hawaiian home. Hotel, and we're just at the Waikiki beach, and it's around 5 now. I kind of look like a mess right now because I just tanned, and I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but I can't tan. As much as I want to tan, it's too hot, and there's nothing to do while just laying down. Now I'm gonna go swim with my sister and my mom. And she thinks she all cute. My sister's kind of mad right now because she's kind of hungry. But yeah, we're gonna go watch the fireworks now. It's like around 7 and it's gonna begin at like 7:45. I think we're gonna walk. So yeah, after that we're gonna go eat. I'm craving some seafood again, some boiling crab, so we'll see what we're gonna eat after that. I'm not walking. Mom, she's so weird. Kade, we're driving. You gonna cry?
You were just waiting.
We're not. She's so lazy to walk, yo. So we just got to the public parking area. We got so lucky with our spot actually. I guess a local was here and we just asked him if he was leaving and he said yes. And I was asking him where could we see the and I was asking him where's the best area to see. Oh, stop slapping me before I punch you in your face. And I asked the local like where's the best like spot to see the fireworks, and he actually said his spot. So we're right here right now waiting for the fireworks, and we're just gonna stay in a car because it probably will be so packed. And I guess it's gonna be right here. So yeah. After that, my seafood, here I come for you. Hey guys, so it is the last day here. We're about to go snorkeling with the turtles and it is 7:30. And I'm not going to be bringing the camera, I'm going to be using the GoPro or either my phone. So I'll see you guys there. So me and sister just got here. And my mom. And this is what we're going to be riding on. I can't wait to see the turtles, guys. Are you scared, Mommy?
No.
back at the hotel. It's around like 4:30ish, and I am burnt. So after the turtle thing, we went to the beach right outside our hotel and just relaxed because it's our last day here. And I wanted a tan so bad because I didn't really get to get that dark tan yet. Girl, I think I overdid it. It is red. I'm red everywhere. I had to like shower in like really like cold water. But yeah, now we're gonna go head it out and go do more souvenir shopping and eat and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys there. So we're at the international marketplace now. We just came here to go eat real quick. So this is what we got. We're eating at the Kazan Ramen Express. What did you get?
I don't know.
And what did you get? She got miso something. We got soup and I got rice platter. I got the pork cuts. We just got done and now we're eating shave ice. I ordered the same thing again. I ordered Pink Island from Island Vintage. So I forgot to make an outro last night. So basically, after we ate shaved ice, we came home and just went to bed. But yeah, today's our last day. This is me checking out the vlog. So yeah. One last time looking at this view, guys. Until next time, Hawaii. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole series. This was a fun trip. And I hope to see you